So what we have here is the rear rotor on the GSA. This is passenger side where the lugs go in. It is in neutral, so it spins freely. And I wanted to show, if you can see right here, that is the marring that happened right when it drops right there, dead center, when I dropped it. So I'm posting this video because I'm convinced that it's warped. Others have said very unlikely given the nature of the drop. It's a very unlikely thing. But you know, it fell straight down and then fell over. I can't quite say with certain, but what I am noticing, if you look right here where the rotor kind of passes through the brake caliper carrier, that there is a slight change there. So you see how close it is right now? This is the spot where the fall occurred. It's right there. I'm going to keep turning it. You can do your own slow-mo if you'd like. I hear it rubbing right there. And you can see it moving out away from the carrier. Rubbing. So just kind of hoping that you guys can watch this and see where it's coming in and out. But I think it's coming in and out. And it's enough where I want to replace the rotor. So I think it's rubbing, or at least I think it's coming inward to the left. If you guys don't think it is, then I guess I'm wrong. But I thought this video might be helpful to get my point across, or maybe have the community sort of decide if I'm crazy or not. It's supposed to boost the audio a little bit. So, thanks for watching. Thumbs up there.